Hi guys, Design Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 26. Let's get it. Let's hop into the Discord real quick to take a look at today's triggers. We have the word petrichor, which is the pleasant earthly smell of like fresh rainfall, you know, mindfulness. And then we have dialogue from the movie The Shawshank Redemption, get busy living or get busy dying. I'm feeling like doing something with the word mindfulness. I'm thinking more of an abstract, really clean and sort of vintage piece. So yeah, let's hop into Photoshop and let's see what can we come up with. Shall we? Let's get it. Okay guys, this is the finished piece. I really like the result, pretty different from what I usually do. I went for a more minimal yet abstract piece that would look cool maybe hanged on a wall, but then I came in and did a bunch of the usual grid and texturing and all that cool stuff, and I like the result. It's sort of like an inverted heat map I tried to symbolize with different kinds of patterns, maybe thinking that we do in our minds. And so yeah guys, hope you liked it. See you tomorrow. You already know how it is. Fuck peace, wish you conflict. Wait, would you like, let me know if you would like maybe some cool prints or maybe a t-shirt with the fuck piece, we should conflict. Let me know.